Hey there YouTube, this is SJM4306, and yeah, I'm a little bit slurred. I just got up from, took a short nap. A little bit tired, but I thought I'd do a little bit more soldering. So I thought I'd show you my new setup. Got my soldering set there, monitor, laptop, everything set up. And so basically, I have my little pan device here, and had a tin of cheap blue LEDs off eBay from China, and I'm going through and I'm soldering them into a matrix. I have 4 done. I have I'm planning on doing it 7 by 28 and using a Maxim chip somewhere, a serial shift register, so I can sequence through and actually display all of it. So I thought I'd show you a little bit of me soldering, a few of these, because I haven't really given you guys an update for too much in a while. Yeah, this is just kind of more for therapeutic ness, just soldering. Let me see if I can adjust this. So just clipping off a little bit of the positive lead. Just a matter of adjusting it, pushing it through. Soldering it. Checking alignment. Good before I kill it. And soldering the other lead. Easy as that. And finally, I'm connecting all the rows up. Rows will be positive and negative will be vertically columns. So just a matter of getting in there with fine tweezers, lining it, pushing it down, and that's one more. So let me show you then exactly how this is going to work. So get this in shot. I just put a little dinky multimeter in diode mode, and once the cord's untangled, here you can see I can light up each of the LEDs. Sorry about that, this is a little bit hard to do. You can see I could sequence through them, and each row is driven like that. So just for a quick test, you can see I still have a number of LEDs to solder. Planning on soldering all those guys and then wiring the driver chip neatly just underneath them. Beyond that, it's just going to have a couple wires coming off and then driven by a PIC microprocessor. Going to make this into some kind of scrolly message clock thing. So until after I get all these done, this is going to take a long while, isn't it? Anyway, I'll give you guys an update on that. I've had some users asking me about updates on my portable SNES, and I do have some unfortunate news. I managed to somehow blow I don't even know what parts exactly, because it partially functions on the board that I cut down. Video is wonky now, and some games won't load, so I'm going to have to sort that out. But in the meanwhile, I do have a Yobo that I could use for the SNES side. But that kind of put that project on hold, so I'm just I don't know, I've been kind of sick of, I've been tweaking with that, trying to get that to work with a 3.5-inch monitor. And one of the things are, on eBay they sell these 3.5-inch car backup monitors. They used to be great. Nowadays, I don't know if they're using a different driver chip, but they more often than not don't work, or they have artifacts or glitches on what they display. It's really weird, and some of them won't even display properly, or they'll be shifted over like half an inch or something, cut off the image on the other side. It's really weird. So it's tough finding displays that'll work, you know, small enough displays that'll work for the portable SNES I'm planning on building. So I finally got one of those displays, and of course Moore's Law dictates that I destroy the SNES motherboard that I was working on. It was a Retro Duo motherboard, but yeah, that put a setback on that. But I'll look around to see if I can find another one on sale. If not, I can use the Yobo. Yeah, so other than that, there's not really too much to update you guys on. I'm just sitting here soldering. So I'll be going back to school soon, which means I may or may not have to put most of my projects on hold. But I do want to keep programming a little bit on some things. I'll take some parts up with me. And I will have a decent lab to actually solder in there, so thankfully. So until I have something else to show you guys, I'll see you later.